Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something a little bit different. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Southern Bells and Shotgun Shells subscription box. So here is the box itself. It's actually super cute. It comes in a really durable package, and it just, on the back it shows thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy it, which is super sweet. So these boxes retail between $45 to $55, and since it's a subscription box, it comes once a month. And what's really nice about these boxes is that you can choose between like a horse box or a boutique box, because she does both like boutique items and she also does like more horse tack oriented items, which is really cute. So in my specific box, I'm pretty sure I got the boutique box. So since they're a once a month subscription box, after the order week closes, they ship 2 weeks from that day, and they always include a shirt that is not listed on the website and $30 to $40 worth of products. Yes, just a quick disclaimer, I did receive this box for free. So as you open it, all you have to do is kind of pull on this bottom thing right here, and you have the item. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like take all the items out, show y'all what's in my box and like what everything is, and then I think we'll go and like test them and like kind of like review them in a way, I guess. I've never done an unboxing video, so first time's a charm. So this is the chapstick holder. This retails at $7, and as you can see, this is handmade and it's super cute. And what's really nice is that you can put this on your keys, so you can keep your chapstick with you and you will not lose it. You won't keep losing your chapstick. I personally go through so many chapstick. I don't think I've ever like actually finished like a tube of chapstick because I always leave it. Anyways, besides the point. So that's gonna be really nice. Okay guys, so here I have the Sunflower Cousy Cup, not included. This is mostly for like coffee cups, which is really nice. So if you go to Starbucks in the morning, you can have like a really cute koozie for it, show up to class, you know, like I got my life together. She also sells other items with these prints, and what's really nice is it's a really thick and durable neoprene, so it'll definitely last you a long time. So this is really cute. It is actually a car air freshener, and on the bag it's labeled Berry Burst, so I'm gonna smell it really quick. So this is the car air freshener, and it literally smells like a raspberry, like those blue raspberry like icy type things. And I'm sure these come in way more colors and like shapes and scents, but I absolutely love this, guys. And I'm not a huge fan of like different air fresheners because some of them give me headaches, but I absolutely love this. Oh my god. Love that. So the subscription boxes also come with some handmade jewelry. So right here I have these lovely leather earrings, and I absolutely love them. The leather is so pretty. Y'all know my favorite color is purple, so it quite literally like goes with everything I own. That's how cute they are. Like, look at that. Wow, stunner. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. They're like the perfect size. And guys, dangly earrings are such a struggle because half the time they're like too heavy for your ear. These are so lightweight because they're like thin. The next piece of jewelry that I got in my box are these beautiful, like, really, at first I was kind of like, what are these? But they're those like earrings that like hang down, and it's just like one of those like heavy earrings. So like you put, this is the front and then this is the back, so like the back is kind of like hanging through. So I'm gonna quickly put these on. I was kind of confused at first, but then I kind of like understood it. So it just looks like a typical earring, and then instead of having like your typical earring back, it's literally just like another pearl. And I thought that these would be too big, but maybe they're not. Oh my gosh, that is literally so cute. I love this. It's kind of like a funky twist to like your typical pearl earring, which is so nice actually. Like, look at that. That is so cute, and it looks so simple. So the next item is also a piece of jewelry, and this is her signature like cactus ring, and I've seen these all over her Instagram, and I've always wanted one, and I'm so glad that I got one in my subscription box because they're adjustable. And I don't know about y'all, but like all my rings, they either fit on my like fourth finger or my fourth finger, so it'll be really nice to have a ring maybe on like my second finger or like my middle finger. Okay, and so you can literally just like pull it apart. Wow. Oh my god, that's literally so cute, guys. So the next thing, as I'm like all decked out in my jewelry from the box, this is a linen and room spray, and it's called Hello Darling, I think. Hello Darling. It's alcohol free. It's a sensual and sophisticated blend of purple passion, yellow peony, and vanilla orchid. Confidence and glamour in a bottle. Dye free, harmful chemical free, and alcohol free. I think it's made in Texas because it says Go Texan on it. Look at that. That is so cute. This is super bright. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm assuming the like name of the fragrance is called Hello Darling. So we're just gonna take the lid off. I'm gonna like shake it a little bit, and then we're just gonna spray it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh my god. It smells so refreshing. Like so refreshing. I'm definitely going to be spraying this on my pillow like every night. This is so good. It smells so light and so fresh, and honestly I'm definitely going to be using this all the time. Okay guys, so the last item is this t-shirt, and I actually have not seen it, so I'm going to be looking at it for the first time. This is in a size large because this likes oversized t-shirts. Oh my god. It says The Great Outdoors. How cute is that? Like it's a perfect lounge shirt, and it's literally so cute. Like I love it so much. And on top of that, it's not see-through, which is really, really nice. For some reason, all the graphic tees I've been finding lately, they've been like some sort of see-through, which is not fun, guys. Not fun, because then I can never wear it. Really casual, but at the same time it like looks nice. I mean, it's an oversized t-shirt. Right? The big things with the subscription boxes is you're getting a shirt that's not available on the website. So this shirt is not available on the website, so if you want it, you have to get the subscription box. And I got to pick my size. I picked a large because I love oversized t-shirts. T-shirt retails at $20. Like I said, you can't find it on the website, but it's just like give an idea of the value. Overall, you're getting a really, really great deal, and on top of that, it's just like a really good assortment of products. You're pleasantly surprised when you get them, so it's kind of like getting a little present in the mail to yourself, from yourself, you know what I mean? So it's really, really sweet, and I really love the idea of it. I feel like a lot of times subscription boxes are kind of gimmicky, and honestly, I feel like I'm going to use every single item in here, as opposed to like if I was to do like a FabFitFun box. I feel like honestly I probably wouldn't be using most of the products in there. I'd probably only be getting it for one thing, whereas like I can see myself wearing this shirt all the time. I'm literally probably never going to take these earrings out, and the Freshie is literally going up in my car as soon as I'm done filming this. And like this, my room is going to smell so great. I'm just going to show you all my keychain really quick. I have this lovely WEF keychain that I got when I was working this winter, and I'm literally going to put once I figure it out, I'm so bad with key rings, I'm going to put my chapstick right here, so that way I have my AirPods and my chapstick and all my keys, and it's literally going to be like, if I lose this, I'm losing like all my stuff. I can also see myself using this like koozie all the time, guys. The amount of coffee I drink is probably like borderline unhealthy, but it's always nice to have a nice koozie. I don't drink much hot coffee, but I'll definitely use this with my cold coffees because like condensation, duh, and like if I were to ever get like a frozen drink, I feel like it would just be nice. So yeah, so I'm really happy overall with the box, and I'm really excited. So if you want to buy a box for yourself, which I highly recommend you do, I absolutely love this box. Anything ordered in June will be for the July box, and from what I hear, the t-shirt is going to be 4th of July themed, which is going to be super cute. And to order them, just go to the link in the description, or you can find them on Instagram. It's Southern Bells and Shotgun Shells. Their website is quite literally just southernbellsandshotgunshells.com, which is super easy. If you do get a subscription box, be sure to let me know. Post on your story, tag me, and tag Southern Bells and Shotgun Shells, just so I can see you with your lovely boxes. Guys, let me know if you want to see more unboxing reviews. I had so much fun doing this. I always love seeing new products and testing them out for y'all to make sure they're good. And honestly, I can see myself using all this stuff. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and follow Southern Bells and Shotgun Shells on Instagram, as well as my Instagram, Natalie Suto Photography. I'm also going to be posting more Snapchat tutorials, so stay tuned for those. So be sure to subscribe, leave a big thumbs up, and comment what you think about this box. Alrighty guys, bye!